It's already one luggage.
Нравится корошка? Проливай.
And how marvelous. Here in our
She
life.
likes something brown. You can push it. What can you believe? Do whatever you want. You can do anything for
We came to IKEA.
IKEA.
The first thing I usually do in any public places is to find mother and child rooms. You never know what your little one would do or ask. In this IKEA store, there are several baby care rooms with cozy breastfeeding chairs and baby changing units. One of the reasons why I like IKEA is that you can see ready home interior design ideas. I love design, furnishings, decorations. I like when everything is organized and put where they belong. Just look at my dream kitchen with an island. I wish I had it one day. The island provides more counter space, more storage, and cozy eating area. I was walking around it, imagining me and my husband cooking lasagna or pasta, sipping a glass of wine. Karosh would play around, asking how much time left till dinner. Isn't it a beautiful dream?
Can you please just do it there?
Oh my god, you need to see his face.
That day was all about Karosh. Everything was for him. In the end of our shopping, we had some lunch and visited another children's stores to buy some clothes and toys for him.
Today we have another shopping day. Beforehand we made a list of the clothes and items that we definitely need, because when we leave Turkey we're gonna take only one luggage for each person, but we already bought a lot of things that are not in our list. it's been a problem for me to choose really good and comfortable sneakers or trainers, or in general shoes, especially after giving birth, because my feet size became one number larger. What are you showing there? And anyway, I was trying on Puma, Adidas, New Balance sneakers, and I made my choice on Converse, and they were so super comfortable. I'm so happy I bought them. In the previous vlog, I already mentioned that we usually bring to Karosh something from outside when he's at home. So this time we bought this cute booties for him.
I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna.
So here we have Karosh stuff, which we bought for him from IKEA and from different children's stores. And we're also gonna unpack our stuff today. Okay, so let's start with IKEA stuff unpacking. By the way, do you like this brand? Do you like shopping there? I would like to know something about your preferences, so you can text me in the comments. Let's start with this box. It's transparent. I like transparent box because you can immediately see what is inside them. I bought this one for keeping Karo's toys. The first thing which we have here is cookies. I don't think I've ever had IKEA cookies before, so I'm really curious to taste them. We have apple pie cookies and chocolate mountain cookies here with bitter chocolate. The next one, finger toys. We can make up fairy tales, stories in both languages, Turkish and Russian. Moreover, me and my husband can use them to engage Kara, and I believe they're good kind of activity to use for toddlers to develop their imagination, fantasy. We have bathrobe here. He's grown up from his old one. I really like it. It was my husband's choice. So I can tell you after a while if we found it comfortable or not. We have Kara's clothes here, different costumes, overalls. What else do we have here? Let's check quick. Otherwise he will destroy everything. I remember this costume was from Elsie Waikiki. This is woolen sweater and pants. We have short sleeve bodies here in different colors. Red one. Interesting choice. Pants and tiny sweaters. Nowadays we're trying not to buy a lot of things because we're planning not to stay in Turkey for a long time, and when we're leaving we will have only one luggage for one person, so we can't afford a lot of things nowadays. Which package do you want me to open first?
I don't know, Jenna.
Tell me, it's recording.
I guess no need for my barracks, right?
No,
Okay, let's do my barracks. It's just a short video that it's a military clothes that my husband like. You can say.
Black. His favorite color is black. Everything should be in black. Black t-shirts, black athletes, black boxers, everything. Okay, that's it. It's already one luggage. Honey, it's already one luggage.
So?
You need a bigger luggage.
I know, I told you.
The next package is ADL. This is Turkish brand. How did you call this brand?
Adil Işık.
Adil Işık. I really like this store. Their clothes are so elegant, beautiful, and stylish. First one is short sleeve sweater. I don't know if they can see me from here. I don't, by the way. Let me sit here. Kara. Я тебе не мешаю, да, малыш? I wasn't in love with this, but my husband said that he liked it, so I kind of bought this one for him. They're already playing with finger toys. Does he like it?
Yeah.
Нравится, Корошка?
Can be casual, can be for some kind of meetings or dates. This is another black top, long sleeve. It costs around 3,000 Russian rubles. I guess I'm gonna wear it on Sunday, right? When we're going to somewhere. It's a surprise. I don't know where we're going. On the 12th of every month, we celebrate a mini holiday or anniversary and congratulate each other. So this Sunday, on weekends, we're going to somewhere. Let me open my Converse. Okay, sneakers. These are my first Converse sneakers. They're pink. I don't know, I like pink color recently. Do you want me to try them on?
You asking me?
Yeah.
Okay, but not like with us, I guess.
Not with me? Because there's no space here.
Yeah, yeah.
Корошка, корошка, сыграй нам на гармошке. Корошка, корошка, сыграй нам на гармошке. Тили-тили, тролливали. Это мы не проходили, это нам не задавали. Парам. Like this.
This is Insta. No, in street. I don't. This is also my stuff. Sorry, I have a lot of stuff. A lot of new stuff. White jacket, sportive.
I like the hood.
You like the hood. The design is different here.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And the hood could be a bit bigger
No,
to
it's
cover
perfect.
my forehead.
It's like a Hollywood movie hood. It's good.
I'm a Hollywood model. It's a black top. It's a good one. Maybe I'll wear it tonight.
Huh?
What? This was lumberjack. This is also lumberjack. I will start my fitness or yoga classes soon. And I can wear this one. It's my size, don't worry. White pants, I'm gonna wear them during walking or running outside. My husband runs, walks almost every day outside. I really want to join him, but I don't feel so good when I ask our parents-in-law every morning, please take care of our baby.
Why?
The next one, winter jacket.
I like it.
Yeah, it's
I like
also
it,
his
yeah.
choice. 2 more packages. Loft. If I remember correctly, we have only your sweaters from Loft. Oops.
Okay,
Oops,
frankly
oops,
speaking,
oops.
nowadays I don't like my body size so much, so I'm trying to cover it.
I love you in any shape, in any size.
Loft is a good brand, by the way. Yeah, I like it.
Black sweater. I already
I
told
will
you.
wear probably this evening this one,
Black one.
maybe.
But we need to wash them first.
Okay, then next something else.
I told my Instagram followers that you really like sweaters. Yeah, and if we lived in our own house, he would have a huge collection of sweaters.
Exactly.
LC Waikiki.
This is my favorite shop, always.
Again, sweater. This is yours, of course. And I
This is
love
not
this
for me.
hat. It's for me. It's mine. I like this color. I like how it's soft here, and I
wish
like.
you like something brown. Finally.
I like brown.
Okay.
It's one of my favorite colors.
We share our experience with you, a shopping experience, so we hope that you enjoy it. We try to explain everything, almost everything, let's say. If you have any question or about prices, styles, brands, or anything, please below your comments.
Yep. Text us in comments. Applause. See you next time.
До свидания.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Пока-пока.
Bye bye.
Oh, I don't know if I started the video or not.
I can do it, Babushi.
Let's
I
check it.
can do it, Melim. Do whatever you want from me. I can do anything for you.
Let's check.
Yes, it's recording.
the vision
Ah,
from
it
here?
record all my say. What I say here, it recorded. We have bloopers.
How is the vision?
How's the vision? Okay, another question. Again. It's good. You are in the middle. Half of television, half of boxes.
How do I look? Another question.
How they are. Oh, my.